Hi. Lexzur empowers users to tailor their experience by creating custom fields, ensuring that you can capture additional information precisely where it's needed. Custom fields can be customized at various levels, including companies, persons, matters, contracts, and tasks, allowing you to adapt your workspace to your specific requirements. Managing these custom fields is a straightforward process. Simply navigate to the settings page of each module to oversee your custom fields. Here, you can edit, move, delete, or introduce new fields as per your evolving needs. For instance, if you want to add custom fields in Matters, you'll need to specify its applicability, whether it pertains to corporate matters, litigation cases, or both. You can select relevant practice areas, assign a name, and define its type. Custom fields in Lexzur encompass a variety of types, including single text, date, list, contact, user, number, upload button, or URL. The contact or user types facilitate searching for existing companies, persons, or users, streamlining data retrieval. Custom fields also enable document uploads, allowing you to attach essential files directly within the system. Furthermore, the URL type permits the inclusion of external links, offering seamless access to external documents hosted on cloud management solutions or other platforms. In Matters and Companies, you have the additional option to create pages with custom fields. For each newly created field, you'll need to associate it with a page, unless it's the main page containing general information. These custom fields can be conveniently filled out from the Matters page and subsequently used to generate tailored reports specific to your needs. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.